Hey yo, it's DJ the Diva coming back at you with another video. This is part 2 of the chandelier. Y'all already know my condition with these arms and this recovery from the mastectomy and repair that it takes me a minute to do stuff, especially when I'm doing it with my arms. But what I wanted to tell you guys was that I finished my chandelier. Let me turn on this light so that I can give you guys a closer view. Let me see here if I can do this. Hold on one second. Let's see if this is a go. See if I can get you a little bit closer. As you know, I'm all the way rigged. Can you guys see that? How about if I bring it up close? Can you guys see that? All the way around. Pardon me as I twist and turn with these fragile arms of mine to give you a closer view of my finished product. You guys see that? There is, you see my crystals there that I put on? 2 on each side, one up, one down, one higher than the other, one lower than the other. And that's all I did. I ended up just using a pack and a half. So in saying that, let me turn off the light. And I'm so glad with these fairy lights, even though I have like 1, 2, 3, this makes the 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8, including the ones outside. And they all came with their own, each string of lights came with their own remote, but one remote controls them all. I'm glad. All right, let me see if I can get these lights to going so you guys can really see the finished product. See that? Maybe if I get you at a different angle, because it's now 7:30 and the lights outside is like brilliant. Let's see if I can get you guys at a different angle. You know I'm rigged up all the way. Okay. Let me see if I can make them do something. There we go. I'm trying to, let me see if I can close these curtains a bit. I turned off the light, but maybe a closer view. And guys, it's a good idea if you do a lot of things with crystals and DIYs to go ahead now to like Hobby Lobby and the different shops, and let me see if I can make it do something different. The different shops and get your crystals and whatnot. It's really pretty, you guys. I didn't even have to use all the crystals for the chandeliers. See? I used only a pack and a half, so I got another pack and a half left. And I'm sure I'll come up with something. But I just wanted to give you guys a view of this chandelier. You can't see the lights good, But guarantee, I'll do another video where it will be able to really be seen. Big change, y'all, from where it was to where it is now. I was so glad, so happy and so blessed that those flowers were actually 2 instead of 1. But the way they had them intertwined and the stems wrapped around each other, you really couldn't tell. It just looked like one flower with 2 clips. But yeah. You guys have any questions or anything? Don't hesitate to comment. Yeah. But yeah, this is Deja the Diva. And act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to who? To the Lord by blessing somebody else. I love you guys to life, and I truly appreciate you guys coming to my channel, liking and subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And I do appreciate you guys' comments and questions. So be my guest. Be my guest. Okay, this is Deja, and I'm out.